How to fix TikTok unable to authorize, please try again on your iPhone. So if you want to fix TikTok unable to authorize, please try again on iPhone, then here's how you can fix it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, you will have the Apple ID name or profile. Click on it and then scroll down and go with Sign in and Security. After that, you'll find an option of two-factor authentication. Make sure that this option is turned on. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and often helps resolve login-related issues with apps like TikTok. Next, you need to go back to the main settings menu and then scroll down until you see the General section. Once you find General, tap on it, then scroll down and then choose VPN and Device Management. Here, if a VPN is turned on, if it is active, then turn it off. A VPN can sometimes interfere with TikTok servers and cause authorization issues. After that, still in general, you need to tap on date and time. Make sure that set automatically is enabled. If it is off, toggle it on so that your iPhone uses the correct time zone. Incorrect date or time settings can prevent TikTok from verifying your account. Once you've made these changes, go back and check if the error is gone. If the problem still continues, then open up your iPhone settings and then scroll down a bit and you will find the storage option. Tap on Manage Storage and then scroll down a bit and you will find the TikTok option right here. Tap on your TikTok and then offload the application. After offloading, it will clear all of your cache and then you can just simply go and update your TikTok from your App Store. Open up your App Store and then go with your search, and here you need to search for TikTok. After searching, if you have any updates, just simply go and update it, and once you've updated, restart your device and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.